Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Have you heard? Microsoft's announced there'll be no more feature updates for Windows 10. What does this mean for your business? Well, your computer won't stop working, and you'll still get security updates and support. But you might not be able to enjoy the latest features, functions, and performance boost that come with regular updates. Now may be the perfect time to upgrade to Windows 11 to get the most from your software. Windows 11 has even better performance with improved user experience and increased security. By upgrading, you can help your team be more productive and efficient. Plus, who doesn't love having the latest features and toys? If you're ready to make the change, we can help you do it without disruption. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.